The Philippines has something very special, and I'm going to see it. The world's smallest active volcano. Okay, see that volcano down there? That is the world's smallest volcano. We're going to go around this volcano and we're going to go and explore some of these places down here. So we'll see what happens, hey? Okay, here we go. This volcano is not the only risk facing us today. The road in is steep, very steep. Downhill and zigzag road. Okay. It is so hazardous that local volunteers wait at the bottom and the top of the danger zone as assistance and warning to travellers on this windy, knife-edge trek. Hey guys, how are you?
I am fine.
Why are you here?
Because I'm matarik. Very high.
Yeah.
Very to people, protect the people and going to taas.
Taal Volcano is at the heart of Taal Lake, the deepest lake in the Philippines. In 1754, the lake changed forever when its only access to the sea was cut off. We're going to the island. We're going to the volcano. We go around the volcano. It's too dangerous to go on the volcano. Let's see what this is all about. All right, let's get into the shade. Oh, this is fresh here. It's beautiful out here. Water is really quite nice. It has become a freshwater lake and has risen 5 meters. Imagine how that affected the fish. The wind blows up here. I'm gonna see if I can put my hand in the water. It's fresh water. This is an active volcano. It has had 35 eruptions since 1572, the latest one being in 2020. Only 2 months ago, fears for an imminent eruption were reported, with searing volcanic tremors lasting for up to 7 minutes. This is a seriously dangerous volcano. So there's people who live on this volcano. So that guy is fishing up on a pole. He looks like a sniper. I thought he was holding a gun, but he was holding a fishing rod. And the wind increased, and the waves began their roll, and my favourite kangaroo leather hat. The wind stole it. Yeah. Oh, so sad. It was my favorite hat. It's gone forever. Oh, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. So one moment I had my hat flying along. Next moment the hat is flying into the water. And then it just sank to the bottom of Lake Taal. And that is my brave face. See? I am so sad. It was like a brother to me. I loved that hat. And now I went. Maybe Alexei, the boat driver, felt sorry for me.
Maybe he decided to cheer me up. They invited me to drive the boat. This is not a good idea. The last time I drove a boat, I broke it. I'm not joking. Ask me about it in the comments. It's a funny story, too long for here. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, at least I didn't break this boat. I keep getting surprised by the Philippines. The beauty, the industry, the adventure, the people. I find myself gasping at times from the heights, the allure, and the danger. I find myself privileged to be in such a place with a people such as this. But now I have to head home. The road was much more fun going up, and our friendly volunteers were still looking out for our lives.